Hello, welcome to my channel DNA Tech India. Today we are going to make a automatic hand sanitizer machine. So what we have done is we have launched a kit using which you can make your own automatic hand sanitizer. So you can use this kit and make your own automatic hand sanitizer or soap dispenser machine as per your requirement. So in this kit we have provided everything that you require related to electronics. The only thing you have to do is make a case for it and your hand sanitizer dispenser or soap dispenser will be ready. So let's look what we are providing in the kit. So the main thing what we are providing is the dispenser board. So this is a microcontroller based dispenser board. As you can see over here, we have used Atmega 8 microcontroller. When you buy this kit, we'll be providing the schematic for this circuit board as well. Then the second thing that we are providing is a screw set. Using this screw set, you can easily fit this microcontroller board onto your machine. One more thing we are providing is the ultrasonic sensor. Since this is a ultrasonic sensor based dispenser, we are providing an ultrasonic sensor also. We are providing a very high quality industrial grade 5 volt 1 ampere adapter. We are providing DC pumps. This is a submersible DC pump. We are providing DC jack. This jack can be connected to the adapter and the circuit board. We are also providing a pipe and a nozzle, so you can dispense whatever quantity you want. Now that you know all the parts that we are providing with this kit, now I'll be explaining to you one by one what the features of this complete kit are. So as you can see, the microcontroller board. So this is the heart of the complete kit. So the microcontroller board has Atmega 8 microcontroller. We are providing a potentiometer. This is a multi-ton potentiometer. Using this potentiometer, you can change the dispensing timing. So how much quantity you want to dispense, that can be modified, that can be varied using this potentiometer. Since this is a multi-ton potentiometer, you can set the quantity for dispensing very precisely. So we have provided three connectors over here. This connector over here is for the ultrasonic sensor. This connector over here near the power transistor, this is a power transistor through which we will be driving the pump. This connector over here will be from this you can connect the DC pump, and the connector over here is the adapter, like you will be connecting the power supply, you will be giving the power supply over here. So only three connections you have to do and your kit will be ready. Then the second thing that we are providing is the ultrasonic sensor. So this kit we have developed using ultrasonic sensor. The reason we are using ultrasonic sensor is like the only alternative for this is using the IR sensor, and the IR sensor does not work in sunlight. So we have used a ultrasonic sensor. The reason being, it can work in sunlight, so it can work indoor as well as outdoor. And moreover, most of the people were facing problem with the ultrasonic was they were not able to mount it. So we have provided a complete mounting bracket for it. So this ultrasonic sensor can be easily fitted using only two 3mm screws. We are also as I said to you, we are providing DC adapter. So the output of the adapter is this 2.5mm barrel jack. So what we have done, we have given you a converter also, so you can directly connect this to the jack to over here, and this will be connected to your PCB. Also we have provided a submersible pump, and we have already connected the 2-pin Relimate connector. So you just have to plug in this submersible pump into this PCB. And I have told you earlier, we are providing screws and nuts and washers for mounting of the PCBs and the ultrasonic sensor. We are providing also a pipe for the pump. So using this pipe you can pump out the water, and we are providing a nozzle. So the nozzle is used to force the water in pressure. So you will get a pressurized output because of this nozzle. So you can check what output you are getting with and without nozzle, and you can change the timing of this potentiometer, so the quantity will change as per your requirement. Now I will show you how to assemble the automatic hand sanitizer kit. So first of all, what we have taken here is any plastic bottle. We have taken a 1 liter bottle, but make sure that the pump can go inside the bottle. So that is very important thing when you are selecting this bottle. So what we have done over here, we have put a double-sided tape over here, and we have made two holes, one hole for the pipe and one hole for the wire to come outside the bottle. So as the pump is going to go inside, we don't want the wiring to come out of the cap, so we have made two holes at the side of the bottle. So let's assemble this kit. So first of all, what you will have to do is you will have to put the pipe inside the bottle and connect it to the pump. And the second thing you will have to do is take out this connector from the second hole that we have made over here. So this is a bit tricky and bit complicated, but this is a one-time thing that you have to do. Yes. Okay. So the wire has come out of the bottle. Just make this tight and put this pump inside this bottle. There you go. So make sure that the pump is going all the way to the bottom of the bottle. So now your basic wire and the pipe has come outside the bottle. Now since I've connected it double-sided tape, I will just put the ultrasonic sensor over here. That's it. Now you can see, as I've told you earlier, the 4-pin Relimate connector is going to con 3, connector 3. So we'll just plug it over here. The 2-pin connector from the pump is going near the tip 122 power transistor, that is con 2. Then we'll take the adapter. The adapter is connected to the DC jack. I will just, yeah. Okay, so adapter is connected over here and it goes to the power supply pin. 2-pin connector, power supply. That's it. That's all done. Yes, and now you have to cut the pipe as per your requirement. Whatever mechanical body you are doing, you just cut the pipe according to that and put the nozzle at the other end. Just I will show it over here itself. So I'll put the nozzle over here. So this kind of dispensing kit is ready for your application, for your automatic hand sanitizer application. So now our dispenser kit is ready. So what we have done, the pipe has been inserted, it has been cut as per the requirement, and the nozzle has been connected. Over here we have connected the power supply, the connectors are done, the ultrasonic sensor is ready, and now you can using this potentiometer you can change the dispensing time as per your requirement. So right now what I have done, I have put water inside this bottle for a demo purpose. So instead of water you can put sanitizer over there, or you can put liquid soap. You cannot use the liquid hand wash soap that is available in the market because that is a bit thick, so the pump will not pump it out. So you will have to dilute it and you can use it. We'll soon be making a video on how to make a liquid soap which you can use in any automatic hand sanitizer machine. So now let's power it out. So this over here is the indicator LED. You can see as soon as we power it on, it starts blinking. So that means it is trying to sense the hand. Okay, now, okay, so when a person puts his hand, the sanitizer is dispensed. So as you can see, since we are using a microcontroller, we have made the system intelligent. Even though the hand is still placed at the same location, it is not dispensing any more sanitizer. So this way you can save the amount of sanitizer that is being dispensed, and even in daylight it is working. So you can see it's not still dispensing. Once the hand is removed, only then the system is again activated. So when the other person comes and he places his hands, only then it will dispense again. So that is the advantage of using a microcontroller based sanitizer machine.